Business Central is known for having a lot of tables within the system. Sometimes all you want to do is see the fields that are available to you. So if I was to click on customers and I see fields that are here, I don't feel that I get all the values that are available in the table. And even when personalizing, I still won't see all the values that are hidden behind the scenes. And sometimes that's just because the data isn't user specific and it's not useful for a user to see. Now, if you know the table ID, you're able to turn around and come to the URL here and type table equals, and for customers, this is 18, press enter. And now what will load is all of the available fields that are currently published within the table. I'm going to expand this just to give us a wide view, and now as you can see, all fields that are available are now exposed. It's quite significant. So let's try this with a different table. Let's look at our items. Items is table. Table 27. So let's go. Table equals 27. Here we are. The bigger your database, the longer this will take to load. And as you can see here, we have every single field that's currently stored within your item table. It's extensive. That concludes this tutorial.